Are you a blogger, content creator, online entrepreneur? You've got an audience, but you're still struggling to monetize it. And now, with the explosion of AI content, you're finding it even harder to rise above the noise. I've got a way for you to win. To compete against AI, I recommend you start selling human-centered digital products like memberships, paid workshops, coaching. These are things where you get to show up live as a human and connect with other humans. You solve problems for people and they will pay you for it. And now, enter MiloTreeCart. MiloTreeCart is the perfect payment tool for people who hate technology. So go sell that membership, that paid workshop, coaching. You can even sell digital downloads with MiloTreeCart. We give you everything you need to get selling in 10 minutes. I'll show you how it works. You just pick what kind of product you want to sell. We give you free fill in the blank sales pages that are simple to set up. We also provide a marketing toolkit with checklists to help you get launched. This is your moment. Start selling those human-centered digital products. As AI continues to explode, we will continue to not know who or what to trust. But if you are trustworthy, if I can learn from you and connect with you, you will win. So head to MiloTreeCart.com, sign up. You get your first 7 days free. And as a special bonus, I will get on a one-on-one coaching call with you because that's how invested in your success I am.